Marshmallow Uggs, a candy scarf, a wafer backpack, and a licorice wig? Watch our new video to learn how to make edible Barbie clothes and accessories. The girls are showing off their dolls. Their Barbies are having a friendly picnic together, and Redheads doll brought some mini cookies. Mix 3 spoons of flour, 1 spoon of powdered sugar, 2 spoons of water, and 1 spoon of vegetable oil. Roll out the dough very thinly and add sprinkles on top. Slightly press the sprinkles into the dough. Use a wide straw to cut out round cookies. Distribute them on parchment paper and bake them for 5 minutes at 280 degrees. Make a little bag out of Kraft paper. Label it with a marker and put the finished cookies inside. Redheads doll treats Christy's doll to cookies. Aww, that's so sweet! There are real and delicious mini cookies inside the bag. Yes, they are very small, but they're also very yummy. The perfect accompaniment to this bag of cookies is a thermos full of hot coffee, which Christy's doll brought along. Glue a small printed-out Starbucks logo to an empty container from pencil lead. Pour coffee inside. There's real coffee inside this little thermos. I'm sorry that the doll-sized portion is so small. Redhead didn't get any, but her Barbie ends up with a cute thermos. I think our woman-only paradise has a guest. A mysterious silhouette appears, then disappears. Oh, it's just Ken. He came to visit the girls and put on his trendiest hat to impress them. Melt hardened green icing in a double boiler. Cover a Canapé cup with it. Cut a little ball out of a marshmallow and attach it onto the mini hat with edible glue to be a pom-pom. Make a brim out of yellow fondant. Wet it with water and sprinkle shredded coconut on top. The girls are glad to see Ken. Hanging out with boys can be fun too. And his stylish hat smells suspiciously good. Could it be edible? Let's find out. This hat consists of 30% wafer, the same amounts of glaze and fondant, and 5% each of coconut and marshmallow. Do not launder or iron the product, but feel free to eat it. Ken looks cold without his hat. We should make him a scarf. Let's see what Redhead came up with. Cut the ends of 2 candy belts. Make a fringe. Dissolve some gelatin in just a little bit of water, making a thick mass. Glue the belts together with the gelatin. Remove the excess sugar with a brush. This scarf will look great on Ken. We tie it around his neck. But Christy suspects that the scarf might be as tasty as it is stylish. She wants to try it, but the designer Redhead won't allow it. Then Christy will have to secretly remove the scarf from the mannequin. Her friend noticed, and a battle over the tasty scarf begins. Neither of the girls wants to back down. Oops! The scarf gave up first. But at least now each girl has her own candy to eat. Our dolls need new shoes. Any self-respecting Barbie wouldn't dare go barefoot. Let's help them out. Christy has some cute slippers for her doll. Trace the doll's feet on paper. Cut them out to make insoles. Roll out fondant on a pre-floured board. Make sweet insoles. Cut the paper template in half and cut out the top of the slipper out of a different color of fondant. Glue the bottom and top together using water. Decorate them with heart-shaped sprinkles. These soft slippers are a perfect fit! How wonderful! Redhead's got something too! She's made comfortable Uggs for her barefoot Barbie. Grease a silicone mat. Add food coloring to marshmallows and microwave them for 1 minute. Stir the mass. Wrap it in the mat and roll it out. Sprinkle it with powdered sugar and cut out templates for Uggs. Bend the round toe and attach it to the sole using edible glue. Attach the upper part on top. Decorate it with white marshmallow pom-poms. Finally, the dolls have footwear, but our shoes aren't regular, but edible. Christy goes ahead and eats one slipper, and Redhead starts chewing on her blue Ugg. 1 to 1, the shoes turned out to be so yummy. Just one problem. Now the dolls are barefoot again. The girls decided to introduce their dolls to some real winter conditions. Styrofoam snow, a cold winter breeze. The game is so realistic that the dolls actually get cold. Quick, we need some winter accessories. Redhead made some sweet earmuffs. Cut the plastic ring off a container of paint. Slightly wet a ball of cereal and cut it in half. Melt some hardened icing over a double boiler. Dunk 1/2 of the cereal into it, and then cover it in a colorful shredded coconut. Use a toothpick to poke a hole and put in the headband made out of the plastic ring. These coconut earmuffs will keep Barbie's ears perfectly warm. Or they could keep her owner well fed. No matter how you look at it, this is a very useful accessory. Christy also wants to make a stylish winter accessory for her Barbie. She made a sweet hand warmer. Cut open a marshmallow. Remove the inside. Sprinkle it with powdered sugar and seal the cut with glaze. Dip the end of the marshmallow first into glaze and then into colorful shredded coconut. String the marshmallow on some fluffy yarn. Hide the knot inside the hand warmer. Christy puts the hand warmer on her beloved doll. What an elegant accessory! It's even tasty too! The dolls are guaranteed to have a sweet winter. Redhead can't decide how else to decorate her Barbie. Christy's doll has such beautiful hair. It inspires Redhead to create a new hairstyle for her doll. Something sweet and colorful. Cut up some licorice. Remove the filling. Clean the candy from the rest of the filling and cut it into pieces. Slice thin fringe on each piece. These are strands of hair. Wrap your bareheaded doll in Saran wrap. Cover her head with fondant the color of the licorice. Adjust the shape with a knife. Attach the licorice hair onto edible glue. Start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. Attach her bangs. Trim the licorice hair to make all the strands the same length. Remove the Saran wrap and put the sweet wig onto Barbie's head. Redhead's Barbie has a fresh new cut, but it's more than just pretty, it's edible. Redhead breaks off pieces of her licorice hair and tastes them. What an inventive way to style hair! Christy invites Redhead to try recreating her doll's hair. Will Redhead be able to pull it off? Of course! Break up 3 chocolate crunch bars. Add marshmallows and food coloring. Melt everything in a microwave for 1 minute. Mix it all together. Cover your doll in Saran wrap and make a wig out of the sweet mix. After the wig has cooled down, unwrap the doll. Well, doesn't it look like Christy's Barbie fro? Christy's a big fan of this crunchy sweet wig. She bites off a piece right from Barbie's head. It's so yummy that she can't stop. Ken asked Barbie out. The dolls decided to go for a walk. But we forgot something very important. Barbie and Ken are waiting. They have nowhere to put their things. Well, of course! Quick! Let's make them a backpack and a purse. Cut a wafer in half. Trim the corners of one square. Make them rounded. Use a knife to remove the upper layer and the filling. Roll out colorful fondant and wrap the wafer blocks in it. Attach the pieces together using edible glue. Cut up a licorice stick of the same color. Make holes in the backpack and insert the licorice straps. Attach a round licorice handle on top. Use food coloring to draw a logo. Redhead made a stylish sporty backpack. It's tasty too! This licorice strap is so delicious, and the wafer bag itself isn't bad either. And Christy made an elegant purse. Add food coloring to a toffee. Melt it in a microwave for 40 seconds. Roll out the warm toffee into a thin layer and shape a purse before the candy sets. Attach silver edible beads with edible glue. Glue on a licorice stick handle. Christy has always loved candies and purses, and now her two favorite things have come together. How fortunate! But once again, the dolls didn't get to keep their accessories. Sorry, but the edible accessories turned out to be too irresistible. Did you like our edible accessories for dolls? Then let us know in the comments about what you'll make for your Barbie. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new ideas for your dolls from Troom.